never seemed to stop moving. My journey had been all about getting to my next destination, but there was so much more around me. You've got to be careful. Stopping to take in your surroundings is so important.
Where am I? I'm like on the moon. I think I've made it to the salt flats. It's so condensed, it feels like I'm walking on cement. It's actually a really cool, unique feeling.
So that was fun, but California awaits.
Welcome to California.
And now that I've eaten, they've given me permission to camp overnight. It's a good deal, because I'm well fed, and now I have a place to sleep. I knew it was going to be a good day.